crop box and gaming. Today I'm going to show you how to make a decorative shopping bag. Now, it's hard to see on the vinyl, but I will have a picture of it at the start of this video. But we're going to do a Patronus with the Dementor. You really need a black bag for this one to get the full effect. So step one is to just slide whatever bag you're using over a hard surface. I have a piece of acrylic here, but timber, cardboard all works. Just slide it on and line your bag up as flat as possible. Once you've done that, for this part we actually want the Dementor part of the image. So I've done it in white vinyl so you'll be able to see it on top of the bag. I just cut these out with my Cameo. If you would like to buy the pre-cut vinyl, I'll put the link to where that can be purchased below. If you like the bags and don't want to go to the hassle of making them yourself, I will also put a link below as to where you can buy the pre-decorated bags. You want to leave the stag on your paper. Once you've freed your Dementor from the plastic, you should have a rough silhouette. Just go ahead and place it right in the middle of the bag and pull all of the straggly bits out and make sure they're all laying flat with the bag. You don't want any creases or wrinkles or the paint will leach under. It takes a little bit of time to make sure there is no part that isn't stuck down. Once you've got that done, you'll need some silver paint. This is just basic acrylic paint. I got it at Kmart. Now very carefully, with only a small amount of paint, you really don't want much. I'm just using a cotton bud, I found that the most useful. You just want to dab around all the outside of your image. Try to put as little paint as possible on the actual surface. Try not to drag your brush, just dab. If you drag it, you'll pull the paint under the image. So you want the silver to go a little bit away from the Dementor, just to give you a clear line. Don't forget to do inside the stag as well. Once you've got all your exteriors dabbed, while that's drying, I've had a few questions about the bags or whether or not the paint will wear off as you use them. So I just have another bag here. This is one I made while I was doing the testing. It's the exact same paint but in gold. I just wanted to show you that you can rub your hands on it with no ill effects. The paint's not coming off. Scrunch it up and the paint stays. I've tried it with fabric paint. The fabric paint didn't work very well. The acrylic paint seems to hold fine, even if I rub my nails on it. You know, I can rub it on my clothing and the paint still holds. They take about 20 minutes to dry, so I'll leave that one to dry and we'll come back when it's done. Once you've got your silver paint completely dry, just gently peel away the vinyl. Once you've done that, your bag is complete. I would give it a couple of days just to let the paint completely dry before using it. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed our video, please subscribe.